Just spotted another queen. I'm gonna try to catch her. I got something to put her in. Yeah, I got me a cage right there. You saw her walking up the box. She's pretty too. Nice big one. Right there she is. Got another queen. I'll see if I can catch a couple of attendants put in there with her. The wings going so fast they're hard to catch. There's one. Come here, daggone you. You want to go in there, Mama? Oh, no, Mama, get back in there. She tried to escape on me. I ain't got one attendant in there with her right now. Come here, girls. Try to get them by the wings so they can't sting you. Then you can put them head down and get them right on in there. I'm running out of queen cages. So that's 2 queens. As of right now. I knew I had seen, and there may be 3 queens in there just for the simple fact that I thought I saw one go in the box. Why do you girls quit moving so much? There you go. Well, shoot. I had an attendant in there with her, and it escaped when I put that other one in there. Doggone it. It's hard to grab them by the wings and them little wings is flopping. Alright, there's 2. Might get one more in there. Catch one that ain't flapping her wings. Alright, so we got 3 attendants in there with her. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can find me another doggone queen cage. We'll set this one over here. Let some of these girls get in it. I'm gonna put this queen right here. Put her right there. See if we can get some takers on this queen. Says how we got 2 in here. See if I can find me another queen cage. I reckon I need to throw me a box of queen cages in here. Alright, I got me another cage I can use. Need be. See how we got all these queens going on here. My tail down here, look some more. Got some girls over here doing some fanning. We'll go ahead and close this top down. So maybe we can get some more over here. Hey, The only thing we're missing now is a snake to join the party, and we're in the right spot for that. There we go. Got some bees going in there now. Bunch of bees clustered up over here. I'd like to move that box out. Get on them bees. See if I can spot another queen. This queen's great. You never have too many queens. As of right now, I'm thinking I got 3 in this bunch. Probably all virgins. Alright, so I'm gonna bump that box, is what I'm gonna do now. And see if we can get some marching in this other box. Try to split them up at least, and plus that'll give me an opportunity to see if I can spot another queen. So. I got bees going in both boxes. Another sting because I mashed a bee. Some of these blonde drones make it difficult in trying to spot queens. Right now we kind of give them a choice. We've got a couple of queens here that we know of, possibly 3. There may be 2 queens in this box, 1 in a cage and 1 not. So, we just had to figure it out later. Once they kind of figure it out. And if these are virgins coming back, if they bump one of them boxes, they'll pull every bee out of the box. So you end up with a bunch of these bees deciding, hey, you ain't my mama, I'm going back where they came from. I had one fella comment on one of my videos, said that the queen follows the workers. Well, I think this kind of proves that wrong, because they're definitely going to where the queen is. And they're going to pick which queen they like the best. So, leaving a lot of scent over here on this side of this box. I'm wondering if I got another queen over here. Got bees going in both boxes, spanning both boxes. Just one of them things you really can't rush. See another queen in that scoop of bees. Anyhow, this mama. See if I can find something to set these up on. Then they can all decide where they're going. Doing a lot of fanning. You know, I just had to figure it out later. Pop-Pop's bees, funny bug bees and woodworks, the joys of catching virgin swarms. A couple of things to look for there, so maybe that'll help somebody out. Y'all have a good one. Please like and subscribe. And we're gonna settle this up and go get back to some inspections. Y'all have a good day.